The next era of private 5G transformation is already here. Across every industry, we are entering an intelligence-driven era, an era where everything connects, moves, and responds in real time. QCT offers OmniPOD, an end-to-end private 5G network solution. From 5G core to RAN, from network service to comprehensive management, and from infrastructure to professional services. Every layer, every component is seamlessly integrated to deliver 3GPP Release 16 ready standalone 5G capabilities. Because one size does not fit all, QCT OmniPOD provide light SKU to deliver essential capabilities with a competitive total cost of ownership. And when the network grows, it scales seamlessly into the standard SKU, unlocking higher capacity, clustered redundancy, and edge UPF scalability for large-scale deployments. On the radio side, QCT OmniPOD supports multiple cells at a single base station, expanding capacity while maintaining seamless mobility. Indoor and outdoor radios coexist under the same base station, adapting coverage to complex, real-world environments. And with configurable TDD slot formats, uplink and downlink resources are dynamically tuned to meet the exact needs of every application. One network, multiple services. With network slicing, QCT OmniPOD allows each service to operate exactly as it needs to. Mission-critical traffic runs on isolated, dedicated resources, without interference and resource competition. For real-time automation and precision control, QCT OmniPOD enables URLLC, delivering ultra-high reliability and consistently low latency. At the core of QCT OmniPOD is a cloud-native architecture where service resilience is embedded into every layer for 5G network function services, for port services, and for node services. No disruption, no compromise, with maximized system availability. Security is built in from the ground up. With 5G EIR, QCT OmniPOD enforces device-to-SIM binding policies to ensure only authorized devices access the network. Visibility and control are centralized through OmniView, a single network management system spanning from the 5G core to every RAN cell. With full FCAPS capabilities, OmniView provides complete network operational insights from faults, configuration, account, performance, and security. Everything you need to know, all at a glance. In collaboration with SUTD, OmniPOD also achieved validation in the latest O-RAN Global Plugfest with strong results. Capabilities are proven under demanding conditions. Hour after hour, day after day, the network stays online. QCT OmniPOD, a network built not just for today, but for what comes next.